In this Elementor WordPress tutorial video, I'm going to show how to use text shadow in Elementor. So you see that this shadow effect over here, you see the words over here, snow adventure, and you see there is a slight shadow behind this text, and this white text is on a white background. You see in the background over here, and only the shadow is making this text visible. Okay, so if with this I've selected this text, and if I remove this text shadow, you see that this text becomes absolutely invisible. Okay, so we're going to use this nice text shadow effect to make it visible and look nice. Okay, so to firstly what you need to do, we need to select this text and go select this text and go to style, and then over here you see this option over here, text shadow. All you need to do is click on this pencil, and you see that it is applied. Okay, and you can make adjustment over here. You can reduce the blur. Okay, you can reduce the blur, and it will make it tight, very tight kind of shadow over here. Okay, and it will make it you can move this shadow horizontally. Okay, make it like this, or you can also move it this shadow vertically to give it another kind of solid effect like this over here. But I'm going to make this 0 right now. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the blur, which will spread the shadow and make it softer like this. You see there's a shadow behind it right now, and I can also select the color over here. You can select the color of the shadow and increase it to make the shadow color darker. Okay, you see this making it darker, or like this over here. Great. Or you can also, what you can do, you can use another, let me use a dark background over here. If I select this container over here and go to style, and instead of this, and I can use a dark color to show you the effect. And I can also use a dark color like this over here and give the shadow, select this text over here, text shadow, and I can choose another type of color. Okay, like this yellow over here, yellow. You see, this will give this shadow a glowing effect, like a neon light effect like this. See, a glowing effect. Great. And if I can also choose another color like this kind of, you see, now it's giving it a bluish type of glowing effect like this. Okay, so you can use the text shadow to make it visible against a bright background, or also we can use the text shadow with a color to make it show a glowing effect kind of. Okay, like this one over here, showing a glowing effect. Okay, so this is how you use text shadow in Elementor in 2026. And I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.